All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. So I'm trading down in Florida. I tried this yesterday morning and it would not upload, so we're going to try it again today. What I was talking about yesterday and what I was talking about in the room was there was an opportunity there for the bears to convert 2,900. They had already converted by yesterday's open the new weekly pivot up at 2907.83, which they weren't really able to do. They weren't able to hold it. So long story short, they go down to 28.99. The market for the last week or so has faded the Globex move off the open. Last week you saw them walking it up a lot into the bell and then fading it down. Yesterday you saw the opposite. They walked it right down to 2,900. They opened it on 2,900 and then they popped it through there and they never really looked back. So we were short against the weekly pivot overnight. We ended up covering that, getting into a long right around 04 and holding that for the majority of the day. And that was our day. It continues to be our day. We still have the runner, and we're waiting to see what happens. So they traded as high as 1575 yesterday. In the overnight tonight, let's go to the hourly chart. Now they closed it with a 15 print. In the overnight, they've done a 14 half print here. But this line here is your weekly pivot. So they crack it Sunday night, they stay below it, then they open the market, they can't hold it, and they spend the majority of the day chopping above it. They've come back to test it once, one full test in Globex, and now they're hovering above both the weekly pivot and the purple dotted line, which is your daily pivot, coming in at 0925. So what does each side need to do today? The bulls need a higher high. They need to convert 15, convert 16, and get, that's my finger, and get up and over 23 half from last week over here. The bears need to try to stay below the hourly mid-band. You can see them trying to do it here. They need to break the weekly pivot, stay below, and they need to take out yesterday's low, which right now looks like a double bottom higher low there at 99. That has to go. If they can do that, if the bears can close below 2,900, it's no longer good enough just to close below the weekly pivot. They can close below 2,900, then they can start to progress to the downside and try to deal with these lows from last week in and around the 28.90 area. Today continues to be about what yesterday is about, and whoever wins this weekly pivot and progresses should get directional moves late in the week. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with some more stuff on social. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you soon.